All right, we are doing a refactor with Unity, a Unity game here. So Hurricane Outbreak is a mobile app that I have, and it has a little bit of tech debt I wanted to clean up, basically. So I already tried Claude with Unity and it kind of failed, but this time around I have MCP wired in, and I'm a little bit more detailed with what I'm asking for here. So I think maybe we'll see. It looks a lot better, but it is burning a shitload. I had to upgrade to max basically because I just fucking annihilated my usage. So, well, with max you could definitely actually do something. With just the pro plan or whatever, it's completely worthless. That's for like, I don't even know, bro. I didn't even use it this much. I did two things and I burned through my usage. So, because reasons. Okay, so did do it. Yeah. Okay. So I've got we can validate it. Now it's time to validate. So I don't believe you should be able to just run the damn thing overnight and like just completely destroy your whole code base. Like I don't believe that. Okay, this scaling. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna open this up. I'm not gonna show this to you. So I actually changed my so Unity is like the only app that has this problem where it just doesn't scale properly. But looks I'm running Linux Arch Linux and so I've always had problems with the scaling. I guess I have to reduce it for whatever fucking reason. Anyway, this is good enough for now. So what do we got? We got wow, that's a lot of fucking files. Yeah, so there's like just a lot of deleted files which I want to get rid of. Yeah, that's half the reason is like all these fucking files just for each signal. Getting rid of those and then consolidating them into one. Should be there should be some new files here. So events, yep, that's exactly what I asked for. So all the events now are in these three files. So depending on the container, because I have Zenjet containers, so I have the project wide container, which is overlapping between the menu and then the game itself, and then you got just the menu. So like these are the different events. That looks fine. And then during the game itself, you have all these. So that's not bad. It consumed a shitload of tokens. Like that was a lot. But does it work the same way? Does the game actually still run? Okay, the game still runs. That's fine. Okay, we got the turning. So all I did was really install Infinity, and I was just a lot more explicit about what I wanted. And I think that was really it. File. just watch an ad to get some points, or you can actually earn it. So like everybody else, you know. Okay, so let's just try this again. I should be able to. So you need a skill basically to get the clouds. Clouds. So that's still. Yep, we got a little light out of that cloud. I mean, it seems like it works fine to me. I mean, if that works, that was definitely one. I'm sure the others. I think that's it. There's not a whole lot other shit. So the buying of upgrades and everything that also has events. So I think that was a success. So I guess Unity and Claude, you can actually it does work. So and deleted all the files. All right. So couldn't run it in play mode. So I gotta look into why, because it definitely switched to something happened with the editor. I don't know what happened, but because it does have access, I basically give it full access. Manager, manage scene should like run. I don't know. So that's the only thing. I'm not sure why I wasn't able to run the game, but I guess that's something else I gotta fucking figure out. But basically, I guess it's possible. It wasn't too bad. That's all I got really. So asking Unity to or Claude to maybe build a game from scratch, that'd be a whole nother thing. But it's definitely capable of making changes. But you really need the max plan, I think, in order for it to be usable. Because just doing that by itself would have like annihilated my pro account. I have. Let's check the usage. So I ran out already, like during that refactor, and I had to upgrade to max. That's so, but that is actually usable. I only use 2% now, so I could just run this for forever now with the max plan. So anyway, that's all I gotta say about that. I guess gotta now we gotta come up with a whole backlog for it to fuck with. All right.